Hello, my name is Mehersusan Tasnia, ID 1191. I'll discuss about web versus internet and the role of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. We often use terms like internet and web interchangeably, but they are distinct. We'll clarify these differences and then delve into the key technologies that bring web pages to life: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. Let's start with the internet. The internet, sometimes called the net, is a vast global system of interconnected computer networks and electronic devices. These devices communicate with each other using a set of established protocols. Think of it as an underlying infrastructure, the roads and highways that connect different locations. Interestingly, the concept of internet was conceived by the US government's Advanced Research Project Agency, ARPA, in 1969. Now, what about the web or the World Wide Web? The web is a system of interconnected, publicly accessible web pages. We access these web pages through the internet using protocols like HTTP, and they are formatted with HTML. So, while the internet is the network that connects computers, the web is the collection of information that we access through that network. In similar terms, the internet is the how of getting data from one place to another, and the web is the what you see and interact with in a browser. To make it even clearer, we can say that we surf the web using the internet. The internet is the highway, and the web is what we find along the way. To understand how we interact with the web, it is important that we know about some key components. Web browsers. These are the applications we use to access and view web pages. Popular examples include Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. They act as the interface between us and the web, interpreting the code and displaying it in a user-friendly way. Web servers. These are powerful computers that store website files, including HTML documents, CSS style sheets, JavaScript file, images, videos. They deliver these files to web browsers upon request. Web pages. These are the documents we see in our browsers. They are primarily written in HTML, which provides the structure and content. Web pages can be static or dynamic. Now, web development involves both front-end and back-end development. The front-end development's main goal is to create a user-friendly and visually appealing experience. This is where HTML, CSS, and JavaScript comes in. The backend development focuses on server-side logic, databases, and APIs. PHP plays a crucial role here. If we look at the roles of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP, in summary, we can say that HTML lays the basic structure of a web page, CSS makes it visually appealing, JavaScript adds interactive features, and PHP manages the backend operations and data. To illustrate their roles, let's use a building constructor analogy. HTML is like the foundation and the structural framework. CSS is like the interior and exterior design and decoration. JavaScript is like the electrical, wiring, plumbing, elevators, and smart home systems. PHP is the project manager, the construction crew, and administrative system working behind the scenes. Now, let's look at the example. This is a web page built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript that is running in localhost. If we turn off the JavaScript portion, the dynamic sliders turn off, the header and footer is also gone. Now, if we turn off the CSS style sheets, the style of the HTML document is gone. After turning it back on, we can see the web page is back on its initial state. Now, what if the website is hosted in a remote server? This is when the PHP comes into picture. It's a backend programming language that handles server-side scripting. The client sends a request to the server runs the PHP interpreter, and it uses services like a database, mail service system, server file system to give an appropriate response to the client request. In conclusion, the internet and the web are distinct but interconnected. The web relies on key technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP to deliver the websites and applications we use in everyday.